In a cave in the woods, in the cold winter, sleeps a big brown bear. He sleeps all day and sleeps all night.
Brr, I'm cold. Hey, there's a cave. It's still too cold. Maybe I can make a tiny fire so I can make some hot tea.
Mouse quietly built a small fire and started the tea. The fire crackles, but Bear snores on. Along came Rabbit, shivering in the cold.
Hey, dude, long time no see. Yes, it's wonderful to see you, Rabbit. Hey, it seems you have some tea brewing and I happen to have some popcorn. Do you want to make some popcorn and have some tea?
Awesome idea. Just as Mouse and Rabbit finished making the tea and popcorn, Badger came along.
Oh, hi guys. Nice fire. It's so warm and cozy. Hey, I have some nuts. Do you want to add it to the popcorn and share?
Great idea.
But the bear snores on. Suddenly, Gopher and Mole tunnel up through the floor. Followed by Wren, Raven, and Crow flying through the door.
What a night.
What a storm. Yeah, what a night and a storm.
Ooh, what have you got there?
Mouse and I decided to make some snacks and tea in this nice warm cave.
Oh, I have some cake.
And I have some berries. I have pretzels.
I have gummy bears.
Even with all that noise, the bear snores on.
I'll pass out the popcorn.
I'll pour the tea. This popcorn needs some butter and salt.
I have some butter in this bag somewhere.
I have the salt.
And I have the pepper.
Pepper on popcorn, gross.
Well, I like it. Your turn. No worries, I have enough bowls for everyone.
Awesome. Now we can all have popcorn the way we like it.
When Mole shoved the pepper into his popcorn, a small pepper fleck flew up the bear's nose and made the bear sneeze.
Achoo!
Everyone freezes and the bear wakes up.
No fair. You snuck to my den and you've all had fun except me. I was sleeping and I've had none.
Why are you having a temper tantrum?
I just told you. You all had a party without me. Now just calm down.
And breathe in and breathe out.
You okay now?
No worries, Bear. We have plenty more popcorn and we can make you some tea.
Here you go.
Yummy. Hey, does anyone have any pepper?
Pepper on popcorn